Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Terraria on your PlayStation 5. First, make sure your console is connected to the internet. Then, navigate to the PlayStation Store, search for Terraria, and purchase it. Once bought, download the game. This process typically takes around 5 to 10 minutes, depending on your internet speed. After installation, you are ready to launch the game and begin your adventure. Now, let's cover the basic controls. You will use the left analog stick to move your character around the world, and the right analog stick to aim your tools or weapons. To jump, simply press the X button, and to interact with objects or open chests, press the square button. Access your inventory by pressing the touchpad, where you can manage your items and craft new ones at a workbench. Terraria is all about exploration and creativity. Start by digging downwards to uncover rich veins of ore and discover unique underground biomass. Gather resources such as wood from trees, stone from the ground, and various gems to use in crafting. Building a safe base is crucial. It provides shelter from the many enemies that appear after sunset, allowing you to store items and plan your next adventure. As you progress, combat becomes a key part of your journey. Equip the best weapons and armor you can find or craft to improve your damage output and defense. Defeating the many different enemies will reward you with coins and essential crafting materials. To grow stronger, seek out life crystals to increase your maximum health and mana stars to expand your magical capabilities, preparing you for tougher challenges.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.